we'll guide you through how to choose the right Wix plan for your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your account name at the top right corner and select Subscription from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see an overview of your current plan, if you have one, and an option to upgrade. Click on Upgrade to explore the different plans available. Wix offers several plans, but they generally fall into two categories: website and business and e-commerce. If your focus is on creating a personal blog, portfolio, or informational website, the website plans are what you need to explore. These plans typically include options like the Combo, which is great for personal use, or the Unlimited plan, which offers more bandwidth and storage for entrepreneurs and freelancers. On the other hand, if you're looking to sell products online or need advanced features like accepting payments, you should look at the business and e-commerce plans. These plans include options like Business Basic, Business Unlimited, and Business VIP, each offering different levels of features such as payment gateways, advanced analytics, and additional storage. Consider your specific needs, such as whether you need a custom domain, want to remove Wix ads, or need more storage and bandwidth. Once you've decided which category suits your needs best, you can compare the specific features of each plan by clicking on Compare under each plan category. This will help you see the differences in detail. After you've made your choice, simply click Select on the plan you want, and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.